In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Ads with Shopify. To get started, you will first log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store settings, products, and apps. Make sure you are using an account with permission to install apps and manage sales channels, because you will need access to connect services. Once you are inside Shopify admin, find the section called Sales Channels. Sales channels are the integrations Shopify uses to help you sell and advertise across different platforms. In that area, you will search for the app called Google and YouTube. Take your time to select the official app, since that is the one designed to connect Shopify with Google services in a reliable way. When you see Google and YouTube in the results, click Add to install it. Shopify will guide you through the install process, and after a moment, the app will be added to your store. If you see any permission screens during installation, read them carefully so you understand what the app is allowed to access. This is normal for apps that connect advertising and product data. After the app opens, look for the option that says Connect Account. Click Connect Account, and then sign in with the Google account that manages your Google Ads. It is important that you use the same Google account you use for your advertising work, because this connection is what allows Shopify and Google Ads to work together correctly. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check you are choosing the right one before you continue. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Google Merchant Center account. This step matters if you plan to run shopping ads, since Merchant Center is where your product information is organized for Google. As you go through the prompts, keep an eye out for any required approvals or confirmations, and make sure you complete each screen before moving on. Once you finish these connections, your Shopify store will be linked through the Google and YouTube app, and you will be set up to move forward with Google Ads and, if needed, shopping ads through Merchant Center. And that is all there is to it.